guys, so we are back today with another straight out the box hair review. This unit was sent to me from Omgherhair.com, guys. I feel like every single time a company sends me a kinky straight or a Yaki straight type of unit, it's always ready to go. This unit came pre-bleached and pre-plucked to the gods. I did not touch this unit with a tweezer whatsoever. So in this video, I wanted to showcase the hairline and give you guys an overall look of what I've done with this unit. It looks absolutely stunning, guys. I installed it yesterday, same day install, and today's the second day, so I'm coming to give you guys the definitive review. Like I said, this is a straight out of the box wig. You're gonna literally take it out the box, install it by using your hot comb, curling tool, straightener, whatever you want to use, and you're good to go. This unit came tweezed to perfection, guys. Absolutely love it. So like I said, I have to showcase it for you guys with a little half up, down, half look. So guys, let's jump into the install and style part of this video because I'll show you guys how I got it to go half up, half down-ish. So guys, let's jump right into it. Alright guys, so this is the finished look of the unit, guys. This unit, like I said, was sent to me from Omgherhair.com. Absolutely stunning, straight out the box, guys. The unit came with everything done to it. Absolutely stunning unit. I absolutely recommend this one if you guys are looking for a holiday, fall / winter type of look, guys. It's absolutely everything. This unit, I'm going to read the specs for you guys, but obviously everything will be in the video and down below in the description. There is a Black Friday sale going on right now, guys. I will leave a coupon code down below or right here. This unit, guys, is 20 inches long. It is 150% density, which is a nice full density because this unit is like a kinky, yaki straight texture. Now this one is a natural color. It is a medium cap size, which I am usually a medium / average cap size. That's how they kind of make it, you know, describe it. This cap construction is a 13x6 glueless frontal cap. If you did see when I had it on my head, it definitely was glueless 100% of the way. I did not have to do gluing to install this one, but because I wanted to do a half up, half down style, I did go ahead and glue it for the purposes of styling. Now, this unit, guys, has come to me pre-plucked and pre-bleached. Now, this unit is an HD lace, guys. It's an invisible lace, so that's why I was able to do this half up, half down. I went out yesterday and got so many compliments. Like everywhere I went, everyone was like, wow. Today I went out and got some food. People were literally like, oh my gosh, can I have your card? Can you do my hair? And I'm like, I don't even do hair, dog. But like, people were absolutely in love with this unit, guys. Now this unit does come with an adjustable strap, guys, and it is very, very secure. I did not have to customize this unit, meaning cutting the ear tabs or anything crazy. I literally put it on my head and it fit ear tab to ear tab. And like I said, I'm a medium to average cap size head. This unit, guys, hands down is very nice. I know a lot of you guys love the little half up, half down styling. I definitely feel like it's still age appropriate, even though I'm 30 years old, hitting 31 on the 27th of December. I still think it's nice and still appropriate just because you can style it up and make it look very kind of like high fashion. The hair is very nice, guys. I did do baby hairs on the side right here, along with the ear tabs. Some of you guys hate when I do the baby hairs, but sometimes you gotta have like a little bit of baby hair to really swag the unit out. So for the ones that know what I'm saying, go ahead and leave your comments down below. If I would have did this one like a straight pull off, I remember I did that before, and they kind of did there was like this whole little viral post meme that went out, and they were comparing baby hairs versus non-baby hair. It's so funny now because now everyone's obsessed with baby hairs, or obsessed with kind of like not doing baby hairs and baby hairs. So the trend is just kind of mixy. So I'm giving these units to you guys the way I feel like it looks good in. So I think it looks really good with like light baby hairs like this, guys. If I did it without baby hairs, I think it would still look bomb AF. You can just tell from the front part right here how nice and slick it's looking. The unit overall, guys, is absolutely gorgeous. I will turn around and show you guys what the back looks like. I did go ahead and use my Even spray along with some Even Wonder Lace glue to put this unit down, and I've had it on for 2 days. So far, so good. Very minimal shedding. As far as tangling, I'm not getting tangling. It does hold like a very light curl. I did use my Hot Tools 1/4 inch barrel curler, and it does hold a light curl, nothing too tight, but I did use my hairspray to really hold it up, so it does something a little bit loose, and I was able to get the style to do what it had to do. So guys, hopefully you guys enjoy this. Happy holidays. By the time you're watching this video, it's probably Thanksgiving, so happy holidays. Like I said, I'll leave a coupon code down below, guys, if you're interested in purchasing this unit from Omgherhair.com. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.